Fire in the hole, let's cook some shrimp. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard. I've had a weird glitch with my camera and it didn't record any audio for this video, which is really bad because at the end I've got my wife Brenda trying a taste test. Anyway, what I got here is about 1.5 pounds of shrimp, and what I'm going to do is sprinkle on some of this Old Bay seasoning and just get them seasoned up for now, and then we'll set them aside and come back after they'll be the last thing to go in a dish. Anyway, let's go on with the Old Bay, and that'll be it. You know it's going to be a good recipe when I've got bacon in my pan cooking up. You start out with bacon, you can't get better from here. Anyway, what I'm doing is I'm cooking up some bacon because I want to get some bacon fat in my pan because we're going to make a roux for this dish. And I need some bacon fat, and I'm also going to put some butter in there. And yeah, all I got to do now is cook this bacon up the way I want it, and then we'll get some flour in there and we'll start making a roux. Okay, the bacon's cooked up just about the way I want it. So what I'm going to do now is get that bacon out of there into a dish, and we'll start making the roux. That bacon's looking good, isn't it? Okay, let's get the bacon out of the pan. We've got plenty of bacon fat, but we need some more fat. We're going to have to put some butter in there. Let me put about 3/4 of a stick of butter in there. That should be coming up here pretty soon. There you go. Butter. We're going to melt the butter down. Once we get our butter melted down, we can start making the roux. Now we're going to add some flour, and the flour I like to use is this Wondra flour. It's easy mixing flour. We're going to start out with a tablespoon of Wondra. And when you're making a roux, you got to keep constantly stirring it. And also, you got to be careful not to get any of it on you because that stuff's like napalm. Anyway, we're going to stir up the flour, get it cooking in the butter and bacon fat. Got to constantly stir it. We need a little bit more flour. So far we've got 1 tablespoon. It's going to wind up with 4 tablespoons of flour in the end. Let's go with another tablespoon of flour. That's 2. Yeah, I think I wind up with 4 tablespoons of flour in the end. Okay, that roux is just about where I want it. So what I'm going to do now is to stop the roux from cooking. I'm going to add the veggies. What I got here is onion, bell pepper, celery, spring onion, and also a jalapeno diced up. And we're going to get that in the roux, and that'll stop the roux from cooking so it doesn't get any more darker. It's already the consistency what I want. It looks about like peanut butter. That's just about the way you want that roux. And now we're going to cook the veggies up in the roux. And then when we get done with that, we'll come back for the next step. So stay tuned. Okay, I got the veggies cooked up just the way I want them in that roux. It's time to add back that bacon. That's good stuff, man, that bacon. And then we got some Cajun andouille style sausage that I diced up. I'm going to put that in there. about 2 links of Cajun andouille sausage. Nothing better than that Adol's Cajun andouille sausage. That's good stuff. Get that mixed up in with the veggies. Get it sauteed up. There's something we're forgetting, I think. Let's see, what could it be? Well, let's put some white wine in there to loosen that roux up a little bit. Also to give us something to cook the shrimp in. And there's one more thing that's got to go in there. Where is it at? It's coming along here pretty soon. Oh, we got to put some Tango Spice Cajun rub in there. Hey, if you want to try some Tango Spice rub, be a subscriber. Leave a comment on this video and give me a thumbs up, and I'll choose one lucky subscriber to get some Tango Spice rub. Anyway, there's still something missing here. One more thing that's got to go in there. What could it be? We put the Holy Trinity in there. We got one more piece of the puzzle. What could that be? Yeah, keep stirring it, Root Boy. You're forgetting something. It's looking good, though, I'll tell you. Garlic. That's what's missing. A big tablespoon of Cheater's garlic, what my buddy Rivet Gardner calls Cheater's garlic, already minced up garlic. Put that in last because we don't want the garlic to burn in that root. Anyway, we get that mixed up. We're going to add some more white wine to that, and then it'll be time to dump the shrimp in. Another cup of white wine in there. That'll give the shrimp something to cook in. This is just about done. I guess we're going to be getting ready to plate this up soon and get Mrs. Root Boy out here to get a taste test. I'll have to do her voice too, since it didn't record hers either. Okay, there's my beautiful wife Brenda. She's got herself a little plate of grits, and I'm going to spoon out some of this Cajun shrimp to put on her grits. I don't eat grits because I'm a New York boy. I don't know what a grit is. I'm like Joe Pesci. What's a grit? Anyway, she's got a little plate of grits here. I'm spooning them into her. Spooning her up some shrimp. She's looking like she's anticipating it quite evidently. Alright, baby, let me get me some spooned up too, because I'm taking a taste too. And I got my fat face in the frame. There you go. There's your shrimp and grits. What do you think? How's it look? Looking good, huh? No? Oh, take a taste, baby, and then let me know. Or give me a minute. I got a beer here. Single in Havana Blonde Ale with guava. Watch me botch the pour on this. This is probably the worst pour I've ever done. Oh, she's going to eat. Wait a minute. Have your shrimp. Go ahead. I want to get me some too. Get that in your mouth. Oh yeah. A big mouthful of it. How was it? What do you think? My best batch ever? Yeah? Want some more, huh? Oh yeah, get some of them cheese grits in there. I hate grits. Well, she must like it. She's scarfing it down. I'm gonna get me some too. Look at that. Oh, that's yum. That's delicious. I'll tell you what, this is the best dish that I make. I know it's my wife's favorite. So how is it, baby? Keep eating it. Mmm. What? Too spicy? Too salty? What do you think? Thumbs up. Well, that's the best I could ask for. Thanks, honey. Hey, if you want to try some Tango Spice, be a subscriber. Give me a thumbs up on this video. Look at that messed up pour. It's nothing but foam on that guava, blonde ale with guava. Anyway, babies, that's my video. Sorry about the glitchy audio and everything else that went wrong with this. But anyway, come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but we will drink a beer. Baby's really enjoying that shrimp and grits. Okay, babies, we'll see you next week. Bye.